Hello, everybody. As you can see, I am in need of a haircut, but I'm going to do this video on waves. So I'm doing mine on Flipgrid. You guys are going to do yours on Flipgrid too. You guys have 2.5 minutes to do this video. It's a little bit longer because you might need a little more time to explain some things. So before I do my demonstration on waves, let me just talk about waves real quick. Whenever we think about waves, we might think of water waves. So let's just start with water waves. Water waves are just like a disturbance in the water. So whenever we think of waves, it's like a disturbance inside something. The reason we're talking about taking time to learn about waves is because we are going to be talking about light waves to learn about stars. And so light waves are disturbances in something called the electromagnetic field, which we'll talk about later. But water waves are a disturbance in water. It's just energy being transported through water. And I'm trying to make a nice big wave so you guys can see it. So there we go. So the part that's sloshing back and forth, that high point, that's my crest. And my troughs would be the low point. You guys will learn about crest and troughs. And amplitude is how high the wave is. So what the height of this wave is called the amplitude. And then frequency is, the wavelength is... It's kind of hard to judge the wavelength. I don't think I have a full wavelength in this container. It might be the wavelength might be the length of this container. The wavelength is the length from crest to crest. I can only see one crest at a time. Let me show you a better example. My time is about to run out. You guys don't have to use the full 2 minutes and 30 seconds, but I guess I talk too much. So here I'm just making a wave with a computer power cord. Maybe not the best user of power cord, but you can see how the high point, let me make sure I have that again. There we go. How the crests travel back and forth and the troughs travel back and forth. So I think I'm about to run out of time. That's my video about waves and making waves, and I'm looking forward to you guys making your own waves. Talk to you later.